Breaking alert for the EV world. The most annoying feature in Tesla history is officially dead. That is right. The infamous steering wheel nag is gone. Tesla has just begun the wider rollout of full self-driving version 12.4, and it is a massive game changer for Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X owners. For years, Tesla drivers have had to constantly tug the steering wheel to prove they were paying attention, even when the car was doing all the driving. But not anymore. Let us break down exactly what this means for the future of autonomous driving. Up until now, the system relied on torque sensors in the wheel. It was clunky and often led to false warnings. Enter FSD version 12.4. Tesla completely flipped the script by activating the interior cabin camera as the primary driver monitoring system. This advanced AI now tracks your eye gaze and head position in real time. Keep your eyes on the road, and the car drives in complete silence. No tugging, no nagging, just pure autonomous cruising. But do not think you can take a nap. If you look down at your phone, close your eyes, or wear sunglasses that block your eyes, the system immediately issues a strike. Get too many strikes, and you are locked out. But the removal of the nag is just the tip of the iceberg. Version 12.4 brings a massive rewrite to the AI architecture. Tesla claims a 5 to 10 times improvement in miles per intervention compared to the previous version. The car now handles complex intersections, smooths out hard braking, and accelerates with human-like confidence. The robotic, jerky movements are a thing of the past. It is an end-to-end neural network masterpiece. So, is this the definitive leap toward robotaxis? Elon Musk certainly thinks so. As this update rolls out across the fleet, the dream of taking a nap in the back seat feels closer. But remember, you are still legally responsible. What are your thoughts on this nag-free experience? Are you excited to try it, or do you prefer the old system? Let us know in the comments below. Do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe for the latest automotive breakthroughs, and we'll see you in the next video.